Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu mascarpone. First, let's prepare the rich mascarpone cream, the heart of our tiramisu. Begin by separating 6 large egg yolks, setting the whites aside for another use. Whisk these yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes light and pale, almost like a fluffy cloud. Then, carefully fold in 16 ounces of creamy mascarpone cheese until everything is smoothly combined. This creates the luxurious base for your dessert. Next, we'll prepare the coffee-soaked Ladyfingers, which provide that essential flavor and texture. Brew 2 cups of strong espresso or coffee, allowing it to cool slightly. For an extra layer of flavor, you can stir in 2 tablespoons of coffee liqueur, though this is optional. Take your Ladyfingers and quickly dip each one into the coffee mixture. Be careful not to oversoak them, as they can become too soggy and break apart easily. A quick dip is all it takes. Now comes the exciting part, assembling your tiramisu. Find a suitable serving dish, perhaps an 8 by 8 inch square pan or a similar size. Start by arranging a single layer of your coffee-soaked Ladyfingers at the bottom of the dish. Once the base is set, spread about half of your prepared mascarpone cream evenly over the Ladyfingers. Repeat this process, adding another layer of Ladyfingers and then the remaining mascarpone cream. Ensure the top layer is smooth and even. Finally, for the perfect finish, cover your assembled tiramisu and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic tiramisu look and taste. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Slice and serve this delightful dessert to your friends and family. Enjoy your homemade tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.